Hello everyone, myself Dr. Manoj Kumar, working as an assistant professor in Department of EC at MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Today I am here to deliver a lecture talk on field strength meter. This is overview of my presentation. First of all, I would like to discuss the basic concepts, classification, thereafter construction, working principle, and some application of field strength meter. What is field strength meter? It is an electronic device used to measure the strength or intensity of electromagnetic fields. So field strength meter is basically an electronic device which is used to measure the electromagnetic field generated by RF transmitter such as radio, wireless communication system, etc. So it is an essential tool in the field of telecommunication, broadcasting and electronics for evaluating the coverage, power and interference of RF signal. So field strength meter will measure the intensity or the strength of a electromagnetic field. So basically in the diagram we can see that one field strength meter commercially it look like this, and one electromagnetic field is there. This field is being measured by this field strength meter. So basically it is a device which to measure the electromagnetic field as shown in the figure. Classification. Field strength meter has been classified as analog and digital field strength meter, narrow band, broadband field strength meter, portable field strength meter, benchtop meters. So these are the classification under which the field strength meter has been classified. Some key component of a field strength meter. A field strength meter consists of an antenna which captures electromagnetic waves. Then we have RF amplifier which enhances the strength of a electromagnetic field nearby its zone. Detector. This detector will convert the RF signal into some measurable quantity. Okay, RF signal here denote the electromagnetic field only, and it will get converted to some measurable quantities like voltage or current by the means of detector. Finally, in field strength meter we have display unit. This display unit measures the field strength values. What is the strength of a electromagnetic field? Then in order to operate the field strength meter we need power supply for the proper functioning of electronic components present in the field strength meters. So these are the basic key components of a field strength meter. Already here we can see in the diagram there is one antenna here, okay, and here we can see the display unit. So field strength meter will measure with the help of this antenna. It will try to capture the electromagnetic field. After catching the electromagnetic field, it will pass to the detector, and the detector will convert into some measurable quantity, and finally it will be displayed on the display panel. So this is the basic concept of a field strength meter. Here from the block diagram we will try to understand that already we have discussed that a field strength meter has antenna attached to the field strength meter. So the work of antenna here is that it will just try to capture the electromagnetic waves around it. As we know that in our atmosphere or surrounding there are multiple RF signal or electromagnetic waves of various frequencies. So with the help of a tuner circuit, what we will do, we will select a particular frequency electromagnetic wave. Suppose 2.4 gigahertz. Suppose I want to measure the frequency of electromagnetic wave having frequency 2.4 megahertz. So what we will do, as we already told, that in atmosphere or in our surrounding we have multiple frequency signals present. Out of that, we will try to extract the 2.4 gigahertz signal. Let's suppose. So in order to extract the 2.4 gigahertz, we will try to adjust the capacitance and resistance value in order to tune that 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Suppose somebody want to tune 5 gigahertz frequency, so it will simply vary the capacitor and resistance value, and automatic that frequency signal will be catched by this antenna. Once the frequency signal is catched, it is passed through the detector circuit. Detector circuit will convert that electromagnetic signals or electromagnetic waves in terms of some measurable quantities like current or voltage, which will be displayed here. So if the field strength is more, we will get the more amount of current in this field strength meter, and which will be displayed. So directly here we can see that the strength of field strength meter is being calibrated in terms of current. So in this way, field strength meter works. So what is the working principle of field strength meter? As already discussed, it will capture the radio frequency signal through antenna, and after capturing, it will send to the LC tuning circuit or tank circuit for resonating. Once the tuned frequency is there, so that specific frequency we will pass through the detector, and this detector circuit will convert into some measurable quantity, and finally it will be displayed. So in this way, the field strength meter works, as already discussed in the previous slides. Application. As we know that field strength meter are widely used in the broadcasting industry, telecommunication industries. It is also used in the electromagnetic compatibility testings. It is also used in the environmental studies for measuring the radiation level in the different areas. For military application, it is used to evaluate and detect the RF signal in a strategic scenarios. So this is very important device, RF field strength meter, and it is widely used for the multiple purpose, telecom industry, environmental studies, military application. So this is some of the application of field strength meter. Thank you.